Hello, everyone. My name is Ihor. I'm just working now in Slovak Academy of Sciences in Institute of Economic Research, and I'm working on the project on the Marie Curie program, and it's about smart grids, and it is some combination of economical and technical research, mostly economical, and I'm working on the finding some barriers and way to break barriers what do not allow us achieve expected goals in smart grid dissemination or deployment. Exactly, here is a small scheme what explain what I want to do. Exactly, it is some analysis of conditions what we should to have to develop smart grids, and exactly some organization and economical barriers what do not allow to do that in most effective way. Exactly today I will talk about one of the aspects of my research. It is about some barriers in dissemination of smart grids, but only in one aspect of that. But if we talk about smart grids, we should understand what it is just mix of technology, energy, and communication. So now we will talk mostly about energy. It is nuclear and renewable energy, so-called clean energy, and we try to identify some factors what affect mostly on share of energy, clean energy in energy mix. Exactly, we are prepared two models, econometric models, and check influence of different factors. And exactly here in research objectives are our step objectives when we just include only most affected after first stage of analysis factors affected on smart grid. Here is our first model exactly where we include all factors what scientists and experts in energy field think very and very affectable and important. Exactly after first stage of analysis, we exclude most of these factors because they are not so relevant as many people think and experts think, and we exactly save a model only with three dependent variables and one dependent variables and three independent. Exactly what we checked. We checked how a human development index affect on renewable and clean energy. We also check what carbon dioxide emissions affected on share of renewable and clean energy in energy mix. And also we check primary energy consumptions. Exactly, we create some manipulation with our model, and here you can see some relation between different variables, and with distribution say us what it is no common principles or very similar trends in European Union at all, but in different countries it is for different countries it is a good model what explain exactly some barriers and some drivers for clean energy development. We check our models few times and exclude some potential problem to make it more reliable and clear. Exactly, these slides just some numbers what explain us, but for us interesting part is beginning from here. Here we can see how three our variables affected on clean energy. Exactly, we identified what the carbon dioxide emissions, primary energy consumption are strongly negative affected on share of clean energy. Exactly, Human Development Index opposite is very helpful in achieving results in clean energy. Exactly, many discussions in expert environment is about prices and importance of prices for creating new plants, creating new implementing new equipment for clean energy and also for smart grids. And we create a very simple model just to check how exactly important prices for electricity to motivate producers, customers implement clean energy technology exactly. And here we can see what we check three type of renewable energy exactly. It is solar, it is wind, and also hydro energy. And with analysis show what there are not so significant effect of prices for creating new for increasing production of renewable energy. Exactly, it is a little bit answer on the discussions what increasing electricity prices could help to drive could be like a driver for developing clean energy. Exactly, it is not motivate enough producers of energy, and it is not motivate also customers. So that's mean that electricity price will increase. That's not help producers to decide. That's great time to invest in clean energy and increase our powerful in this area. And for customers, households, for example, it is also not a reason to make decision what we should invest in photovoltaic panels or something else to support clean energy and to power our house from clean energy. But exactly turning back to our main model, let's see how exactly Human Development Index affected on clean energy development. We can see what all countries in European Union has a high and highest Human Development Index. Here you can see where is Estonia comparing, for example, from United States and the world. And here you can see some graphs for explanation exactly how decrease, and it is projected, Human Development Index in the world under the latest war in Ukraine, Taiwan, and another crises. Exactly. And the last graph also explain us one of the most powerful threat for clean energy exactly in context of our research. It is just a trend of winner of populists on elections in European Union country, for example. It is United Nations research data, and Wayne explained how one of the most important component of Human Development Index, GPD, could decrease after a few years after populists became a power in some country. So exactly, that's mean what we should think about saving high level of Human Development Index, because it is more important for developing clean energy than increasing just GPT. Only economic development, it is not enough. We check also our theory under the few categories of country. We divide all countries on dependent on energy consumption, clean energy consumption level exactly. And it is graph what explain nuclear energy share in European Union and in different countries, because nuclear energy, it is the most cheapest but most controversial way to supply electricity in our homes. So, and exactly our conclusions. We should modernize energy policy in European Union according not ability some countries to achieve climate goals and the clean energy goals because trends in economic development, in political situation, say what expected human development index decrease, and it allows what focus of attention of governments in different countries will be changed, not from changed from clean energy to another aspects. And also we should say what time trend significance is one of the result of our analysis, and it allows to say what technical and technological progress is still one of the most powerful factors what allows to develop clean energy, combining with exactly high level of human development index. Exactly, it's bright what I almost in time could say on this topic. Thank you so much. If you have some questions, I'm ready to give answer.
Thank you very much, Ihor. Do we have questions? Any question? Okay, there's a question over here. A microphone will reach you in a second. Go ahead.
Hello. Sorry, but I couldn't really understand. Maybe why don't you are more relaxed? Try to be more relaxed, maybe. It's like I can't really understand the overall idea behind this. So can you clarify it for me? I'm not being disrespectful, I hope so. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Our main idea is evaluate how most important factors affect on clean energy, and after that make some proportion for changing energy policy, including that. And we find what human development index is very good affected on clean energy, exactly. But another two factors what are affected significantly, it is primary energy consumption and carbon dioxide emissions, not allows to achieve clean energy goals in different European Union countries, because countries what have significant dioxide emissions or primary energy consumptions, they try to find cheapest way to supply energy in their country, and they are not so interested in what they should be to invest in clean energy. Exactly that we find in this research.
All right. Any more clarifying questions? Don't seem to be. So thank you very much, Ihor.
Thank you so much.